Hi everyone, Ashley Davis here, developer of Data-Forge Notebook. Just a quick note to update you on one of the latest features that's gone into Data-Forge Notebook. What you see here is the pre-release version of Data-Forge Notebook, which I'll be making available to select people that I've invited to become early adopters and join the early access program. I've already opened the AlphaVantage example notebook here. This is my favorite example notebook that comes included with Data-Forge Notebook. What I'm going to show today is the new command palette. I've just added this to Data-Forge Notebook. All the cool text editors and IDEs have one of these, and I think it'll make the commands in Data-Forge Notebook much more accessible. So let's have a look at it. Click on the button here to open the command palette. I could have also used the hotkey Control-Shift-P. From here I can browse all the commands that Data-Forge Notebook offers. You can see that it also lists the hotkeys for each command. I can also search the commands by name. For example, I want to evaluate the current notebook, so I type eval. Now I select the command I want, evaluate all code, and I hit enter. And that evaluates the current notebook. Now let's try evaluating the code in a particular cell. I'm going to scroll down a bit and choose a code cell in the middle of the notebook. Now I'm hitting Control-Shift-P to bring up the command palette. I'm going to type cell to find the cell-related commands. Now I'll pick the command to evaluate all code up to this cell. Now this time it's run the notebook, but only up to that particular cell. Now you might have noticed that this command has a hotkey. So let's look at that again. You can see that the hotkey there is Control-Alt-R. So that will run the code up into that particular cell. So let's just escape to get out of the command palette. Make sure we've got our cell selected and then hit Control-Alt-R. So that's also going to evaluate all code up into this code cell. That's all I wanted to show today. Thanks for listening. You can register for Data-Forge Notebook Early Access Program at dataforgenotebook.com. Bye-bye.